right, crew, what's going on, man? Hey, today is gonna be another good video. As you guys see here, my buddy old Counts, he let me use his trailer, and I'm heading to one of my favorite places. You guys know I'm headed to the Salvage Yard. So I got this frame that I'm about to go pick up for the old 55 Chevy, guys, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride with me. And we're gonna take old Count's trailer here. He helped me out. We're gonna take old Count's trailer and go pick it up. It's gonna be about a 30-minute ride, so I'll cut you guys back on once I get close to the Salvage Yard, and let's load this thing up. I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so right now we are on the Volunteer Parkway heading to Elizabethton, taking a nice little morning stroll, heading to go pick up this frame for the old 55. Just take you guys along with me. I tell you what, I really appreciate old Counts letting me use that trailer. You know, I had a really small trailer just to haul parts and stuff, but I've been meaning to get around to getting me a car trailer to haul these trucks and stuff that I find. And unfortunately, at first I wasn't really thinking that I was gonna ever need one. I thought maybe I was gonna just build one vehicle, and here I am on the fourth vehicle. So it's probably time for me to go ahead and break down and get me a car hauler and stuff. I know Counts really don't mind me using his and stuff, but it's always good to have your own stuff, you know that. But I can always... So we are here. I guess I'm gonna try to turn around up in here. Just got over here at the Salvage Yard, taking out the transmission. 480. Well, I almost got this motor out. So we finally got that 480 up out of there. He was fighting us. I'm gonna put it on, give me little pictures. Right. She was fighting us, boy. Yep, she's gonna clean up good. I tell you what though, when I finish with that thing, it'll look brand new when I refurbish it and everything, clean it up. What are you putting in? Alright guys, so we got the tranny, but now they didn't have the cab off for the truck, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to get the cab off today or not, man. I hope so, because I came all the way over here. I gotta take another day off work. But that's the cab. That's the frame anyway. Looking good. Thing I need right here. Tank. Alright guys, it's been an all day here for me at the Salvage Yard, man, but we just got the cab off of the frame, and the only thing we got left is to take the motor. I mean, that shouldn't be bad at all, and then we're gonna load it up on my trailer, and I'm getting the crap home, man. I've been over here all day, so they should have had this stuff done before I even got here, but you guys know how it goes. So I was actually here to move it along, so I'm glad. But that's my frame there with everything off of it. Alright guys, so it's been a long day, man, but we're getting a lot of stuff done, so appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. So I'm gonna catch you guys back on once we load this baby up on this trailer. right, guys, so we got it up here. Finally. That's my baby there. We're gonna tire it down. Woo, guys, it's been a long day, but I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, man. It's been a long day. We also got the transmission and we got the frame. So today was a good day, guys. And I just want to appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. So we're about to get this frame back to Bristol, and we're going to put it in a garage, put it in a safe place until we get back with it. So hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I swear that's a speed trap coming up through here. It goes from 60 and then it goes straight down to 40. I mean, like a matter of seconds. Not even 25 feet. Hey, but today was an awesome day, guys. Today was crazy, wasn't it? I wasn't expecting to do all that work today, but hey, I got it done. Like I've been telling you, hey, this is a DIY channel, baby. And hey, it's about doing it yourself, no matter if you're getting it from other people or Salvage Yard or whatever. You better have fun doing it, or you're gonna have a miserable day, that's for sure. But hey, today was a fun day for me. I mean, I had the day off. So the only thing that was on my mind today was getting this frame and this transmission. And he told me this morning, even though it's supposed to have been done Friday, that he said he was gonna have a transmission out Saturday. And so I said, hey, listen, I'm not in a rush. I'll call you Monday, come and get it Monday, Tuesday. But here it is Wednesday. And then I got there and it still wasn't quite ready. So I said, hey, that's no problem. Hey, I know how to do a little bit of mechanicking, so I jumped right on in there and we got the job done, man. So sometimes you got to get your hands a little dirty, but I got what I needed. I won't have to worry about coming back over this way and stuff. So I'm happy, I'm satisfied. So all right, crew, we are finally back at the house, man, and I made it back safely. Got everything. So this is gonna be a good start to our new project, guys. Heck, I even got a spare tire here. That's good. That's really good. Make sure everything's still attached and everything. Whew, I tell you what, I got my work cut out for me though. All this stuff here be coming off. Even got me a rolling chassis. Got some tires on there and got my tank over there. I use that rear end. All this right here be cut off. I thought it was a I thought it had a gas, what you call it, oh man, I'm so tired I can't think. Poppy, hush. So I got everything I need, guys. Got that motor out of there. All this right here be cut off. All this right here work underneath the 55, guys. Got my tranny here. That's gonna clean up really good. Oh, that's gonna clean up good. Yeah, all that's gonna clean up real good. Hey guys, so like I said once before, man, it's been an awesome day. It's been a long day. I am so tired. I appreciate you guys coming with me this morning. I wasn't really expecting, like I said before, to do a lot of work, but hey, I got it done, man. And whatever it takes, man, to get it here. So that's what I did. So I don't have to worry about it. So it's home. It's gonna be at its resting place. So I appreciate you guys once again for hanging out with your boy. Make sure you support me. Hit that subscribe button. Also share these videos, like them as well, guys. And like I tell people, man, if you got a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ, see you guys on the next video.